This is how you can secure your first property as an expat in Germany without any equity, completely stress-free, without complicated bureaucracy, and with minimal capital investment. No endless forms, no confusion about German tax laws, no hidden costs, and no risk of losing your hard-earned money in the wrong market. If you've come to Germany as an expat and dream of a safe and profitable investment, but feel discouraged by the German real estate market, stay with me, because I know exactly how you feel. Maybe you're good at your job, earning a solid salary, and at the end of the month, you're paying so many taxes that you'd rather keep and invest. You've long dreamed of finally building some real wealth and not handing over all your money to the tax office? You want to create long-term security for yourself and your family, whether through building wealth, reducing your tax burden, or just closing the gap in your retirement plan. But the German real estate market seems opaque, complicated, and full of obstacles, making the whole system seem discouraging. You keep asking yourself, how am I supposed to navigate the German real estate jungle as a non-German? Let me tell you this, it's not your fault you're confused. German bureaucracy can be very overwhelming for aspiring property owners. The problem is that no one has offered you a real, well-thought-out solution, one that is tailored to your needs as an expat and doesn't throw up the usual obstacles. If this sounds familiar, stick with me, because I have one solution for you. It's not another empty promise or a scam like the ones I've experienced, but a real opportunity to invest successfully in real estate in Germany. My name's Abdel. I know exactly how you feel because I came to Germany myself as an expat 12 years ago. In my home country of Egypt, my family successfully planned and sold real estate projects. But when I first arrived in Germany, I felt completely lost. The rules here were completely different from back home. The bureaucracy felt like an impenetrable labyrinth, and the infamous tax office constantly gives me headache because I was paying so many taxes that it almost made me sick. I eventually got a well-paying job at Amazon, but it still felt like a large portion of my income was being taken away by high taxes, Finanzamt. I knew there had to be opportunities in Germany to make better use of my income and definitely save on my taxes, but I had no idea how to find them. Not to mention, of course, German wasn't my native language, which only made things harder. I searched for ways to reduce my tax burden and invest my money wisely, without getting into risky or opaque investments. Then I took inspiration from my family back home and began to delve deeper into the subject of real estate investments. I discovered that there was a unique opportunity in Germany that I had completely underestimated. Real estate is a strategic investment for top earners, offering not only a safe investment, but also significant tax advantages. What I found out completely changed my life. With the right strategy, I was able to acquire a property that was cash flow positive from day one, while also reducing my tax burden by more than 45,000 euros in my first year. The government-backed opportunities to optimize real estate investments for tax purposes in Germany were incredible. The advantages I discovered here didn't exist in Egypt and not in many other European countries either. Suddenly, it all made sense to me, but it wasn't that easy in the beginning. As I got into this market, I quickly realized that many people claiming to be experts either didn't know much themselves or charged high fees without offering real value in return. Most of them didn't understand the needs of expats, who often face not only the language, but also the cultural and bureaucratic challenges. I'm sure you know the feeling, but little by little, I built my own network and learned what really matters. Professional, transparent advice that is specifically tailored to the needs of expats. And of course, helps you navigate the German real estate market. It's not just about buying the right property. It's about offering a comprehensive service that covers everything, from financing to tax optimization to even property management afterwards, so that you as an investor don't have to worry about a thing. When I finally bought my first property and saw how well the system worked, I knew I could not be the only one who wanted to take advantage of this opportunity. Many other expats, even colleagues, had the same concerns and questions as I did. So I wanted to give them the confidence and knowledge I lacked at the beginning. That's why I developed a solution specifically for expats. One that not only promises, but delivers. A way to enter the German real estate market without having to deal with the bureaucracy and at the same time take advantage of the benefit that Germany offers to top earners. Today, I'm here to show you how it's also possible for you to take this path with minimal effort and maximal return. Let's look at how it works. For a property valued at 630,000 euros, which is 100% financed with an interest rate of only 4.2%. In the worst case, you can expect a minimum guaranteed rental income of around 3,000 euros per month. After covering essential expenses, including financing, management, and reserves, the actual out-of-pocket cost is surprisingly low, only about 250 euros a month. And of course, One of the most significant advantages is the tax savings built into this investment. In the first year alone, you could save up as much as 40,000 euros in taxes. These savings come from unique tax benefits tied to modernization and depreciation allowances. Essentially, the savings are so substantial that they cover your monthly investment costs for over the next 6 years, making this an incredible, efficient way to own property with minimal personal expense. As the years go by, this property doesn't just cover its costs, it actually becomes a tool for wealth accumulation. Over a 10-year period with a modest annual appreciation of 2% and a rental income growth of 3% per year, your property's value could rise up to 768,000 euros. By then, factoring in the original loan repayments, this results in a tax-free profit of around 255,000 euros. Thanks to our strategic depreciation and tax deductions, this gain is completely tax-free, allowing you to keep the full benefit. And here's the real kicker. With a minimal monthly investment, you could achieve a return on your investment exceeding 550% over 10 years, effectively growing every €1 invested into more than €5. This exceptional ROI is possible because of leverage returns, full financing, and smart tax planning. I founded my company, LDP Group, precisely for this purpose, to help top earners invest and turn their income into real wealth, with real estate that generates positive cash flows from day one while saving up to 45,000 euros in taxes in the first year. Take Ahmed, for example. Ahmed is a high earner who came to Germany to advance his career, but he was frustrated by how high his tax burden was and how difficult it was to navigate the German real estate market. He came to us with skepticism. Today, Ahmed owns 2 cash flow positive properties, saved over 55,000 euros in taxes in his first year, and has built over 200,000 euros in wealth, all without having to deal with the German authorities himself.
What problem were you hoping to solve, and did the investment meet your expectations?
So actually I was earning well, but I was losing too much to taxes. I wanted a simple and safe way to invest and reduce my tax burden. So LDP Group's hands-free approach caught my attention, and it's been one of my best financial decisions so far.
Was buying your first property in Germany easier or harder than you imagined?
I think it was much easier than I thought because LDP Group actually took care of every detail from paperwork to translation, making the process smooth and effortless.
What did you enjoy or benefit from the most during your experience with LDP Group?
I really enjoyed seeing my fully modernized apartment rented out for more than I expected, along with the 22,000 euro tax rebate that offsets costs over 5 years. This was very incredibly rewarding for me.
What would you tell someone considering buying a property with LDP Group?
I would always tell them don't hesitate. They handle everything from finding the right property to maximizing your tax benefits, and it's just a stress-free experience that delivers real results. And whenever you need to understand things more, they will always be there to support you.
Did you face any unexpected challenges, and how did LDP Group help?
The only surprises I got it was very positive surprises. I got better financing terms and higher than expected rental income. Their meticulous planning made everything smooth.
Is there anything else you'd like other expats to know about LDP Group?
Their level of care and dedication and competence. They secured better financing terms and higher rental income than I expected, making me feel like my success was their priority.
Right now, you're probably asking yourself, how is this possible if I don't know anything about German bureaucracy and don't know where to start? Let's talk about your current situation. You've worked hard to come to Germany to build a better life for yourself, but things here are much different from your home country. The language, the people, and the culture. You're doing your best to build a new home and improve your life, but there's so many obstacles because you don't know the bureaucracy well, because you don't fully speak the language, and because you're not aware of all the opportunities you can use to build wealth. You earn good money, but you're paying a high price for it. Taxes. Month after month after month. Money slipping away that you would much rather use to build wealth and make sure that you have enough money for your retirement. You can definitely imagine investing in real estate, but the German real estate market seems foreign to you, and you're wondering how to make the right decisions without all the stress and uncertainty. Or maybe you're just tired of paying high taxes every year without being able to build anything that gives you long-term financial protection. Imagine you never had to feel like you were losing money in a complicated market again. Imagine reducing your tax burden while building wealth through real estate. Imagine owning a property in Germany without having to handle all the paperwork yourself. Imagine building a solid financial foundation in a stable market. This is not a pipe dream. It's absolutely possible. With our all-in-one package, we take care of all the bureaucratic hurdles, find undervalued properties that offer up to 200% higher rental income, and provide you with 100% financing so you can get started with minimal or even no equity. Maybe you're thinking, this sounds good, but I've tried so many things before and nothing's worked, so why should this time be any different? I understand your skepticism. You're not the first expat to feel unsure, but listen to Maria's story. Maria came to Germany 5 years ago, worked as an IT specialist and had big dreams, but also a lot of uncertainties about the German market. Today, Maria owns a property in Munich that brings her positive cash flows every month and has significantly reduced her tax burden. Here's the truth you've been waiting to hear. The reason you haven't been successful so far isn't because you haven't worked hard enough or didn't have enough knowledge. The reason is that no one has given you a clear, simple guide. Our advisory service is different. We don't offer empty promises. We show you how to enter the German real estate market with minimal effort and maximum benefit. Step by step. With our support, you'll become the owner of your first property without stress and without headaches. The best part, we'll stand by you until you have it in writing that the property belongs to you and thereafter. You won't even have to worry about managing the property. We take care of everything 100%. All you do is build positive cash flow while growing your wealth and saving huge amounts on taxes. Our team of over 30 experienced advisors will guide you through every single step, ensuring that you master the entry into the German real estate market without feeling overwhelmed. All you need to do, book a free consultation below this video and let's find out how you can build a better future for yourself in Germany.